Today, I am reviewing KAMRUI Essenx E1 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a compact, reliable, and affordable computer that doesn't compromise on performance, the KAMRUI Essenx E1 Mini PC is definitely worth your attention. This mini desktop strikes a great balance between size, power, and versatility, making it a perfect choice for home, office, school, and even light entertainment use. Despite its small footprint, the E1 packs enough features to easily replace a bulky desktop for most everyday tasks. At the heart of the KAMRUI Essenx E1 is the Intel processor N97, which can clock up to 3.6 GHz with its 4 cores and 4 threads, supported by a 6 MB cache. Compared to older entry-level processors like the Intel N95 or N100, this CPU is around 40% more responsive, giving you smoother multitasking and quicker app loading. Whether you're working on documents, running multiple browser tabs, attending Zoom meetings, or managing school projects, the processor delivers reliable performance without lagging or freezing. Backing up the processor is a generous 16 GB of DDR4 RAM paired with a 256GB M.2 SSD. This combination ensures that the system boots up quickly, applications open almost instantly, and you can switch between tasks without delay. For most home and office users, this storage is more than enough to hold important files, documents, and apps. And since it uses an M.2 SSD instead of a traditional hard drive, you get faster data transfer speeds, which translates to an overall smoother experience. Another highlight of this mini PC is its dual display support. Unlike many budget mini computers that only come with a single HDMI output, the KAMRUI Essenx E1 features both an HDMI port and a DisplayPort. This means you can easily connect 2 monitors at once, which can double your productivity. For example, you can keep a video call or reference material on one screen while working on a spreadsheet or editing content on the other. This feature is also handy for creative users, educators, and anyone who values a multi-screen setup without spending extra on a larger desktop. When it comes to visuals, the Essenx E1 is equipped with Intel UHD Graphics running at up to 1.2 GHz, which supports 4K ultra high-definition playback at 60 Hz. This makes it great for streaming 4K movies, connecting it to a home theater system, or even using it as an HTPC, which stands for Home Theater Personal Computer. While it's not a machine built for heavy AAA gaming, it can comfortably handle light gaming, older titles, and casual entertainment. Video playback is smooth, and colors look sharp and vibrant, making it a good fit for multimedia use. In terms of design, the KAMRUI Essenx E1 is impressively compact, measuring just 3.96 by 3.96 by 1.57 inches and weighing under half a kilogram. This small size makes it easy to place anywhere on your desk, or even hide it behind a monitor using the included Visa mount. This way, your setup stays clean, minimalist, and free of clutter. Despite its small form factor, the device includes a built-in cooling fan designed to handle heat dissipation effectively, ensuring that performance stays consistent without overheating. Connectivity is another area where the E1 excels. It offers dual-band Wi-Fi with 2.4 and 5 GHz support, giving you reliable and fast wireless speeds whether you're browsing, streaming, or downloading. On the wired side, it comes with a gigabit Ethernet port for those who prefer a stable wired connection. For peripherals, you get a variety of ports, including 2 USB 3.2 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, an HDMI 2.0 port, a DisplayPort 1.4, and a headphone and microphone combo jack. Bluetooth is also built in, making it easy to connect wireless keyboards, mice, or speakers. These options make the Essenx E1 extremely versatile for both business and home use. Beyond raw performance and connectivity, KAMRUI has also added practical features such as auto power on, RDC wake settings, and wake on LAN. These are especially useful for businesses, digital signage setups, or anyone who wants their PC to power on automatically after an outage, or be woken remotely over a network. The inclusion of TPM 2.0 support also means it meets modern security standards, which is becoming increasingly important for Windows-based systems. The KAMRUI Essenx E1 is also highly energy efficient, consuming only about 15 watts of power. Compared to traditional desktops, this can save you quite a bit on electricity bills over time, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Despite its small size and low power consumption, the E1 delivers stable and dependable performance across a wide range of tasks, proving that you don't need a massive tower to get serious work done. Overall, the KAMRUI Essenx E1 Mini PC is a fantastic choice for students, remote workers, educators, families, and even small businesses.